Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into goodsam credit card account. Watch the tutorial video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the search box at the top, type in www.goodsam.com/credit card and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this Goodsam Rewards Credit Card main homepage. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the sign in link. And you'll need to enter your email and your password associated with your Goodsam account in order to get access to your credit card. So enter your email in the first text box and make sure to type in your email correct. Now head over to the password field and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking the I icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, click on password recovery button at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts on the next page in order to access your password back. After filling in your details, click the sign in button and you'll be able to get access to your Goodsam credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.